A Shopify store is very easy to maintain. You can be confident that your store is not going to break at random times. You have many great quality apps in their app store. Shopify partners have to meet Shopify standards to have their apps approved on the marketplace. Most of these apps charge you a monthly fee for using them, and developers keep most of the revenue. Shopify partners have a strong incentive in producing quality applications. With WooCommerce, you really have to be careful with updates. You have constant updates coming either from WordPress itself, the WooCommerce plugin, or all the other plugins you have installed on your store. Each update can lead to incompatibilities with the other components of your store. For example, if you update WordPress to the latest version, but your critical plugins have not been tested yet for this version, your site can break. Your checkout page may be inaccessible. You may not be able to accept payments anymore. It's very likely as many plugins are no longer maintained, or their developers can no longer keep up with the frequency of WordPress updates. In a way, you need to update your store as some of them fix important security issues or bugs. Plugin updates let you use new features too. If you activate automatic updates, you should back up your store. Clone your store to test updates beforehand, or accept the fact that your e-commerce site can break at any time. Shopify clearly wins when it comes to reliability and maintenance.